What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be my Boxycharm base box for the month of January. So I just recently canceled my Boxycharm Premium, which was really emotionally hard for me because we were very close. But I need to get IV ketamine for my chronic pain and depression, and I won't be able to work for 2 weeks because of that, so I need to save my money. So, and I have plenty of makeup, like, who am I kidding? Anyways, yeah, I'm excited to see what I got in my base box. I decided to stay with this because I feel like sometimes the base box can be better than the premium. Not always, but, so let's get into it. So, this month's theme is Refresh. And the first product I see, is this Pharmacy Feelin' Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. This is 1 fluid ounce, and a skin plumping microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. I love Pharmacy products, and I love a good plumping serum. Hell yeah. This retails for $44. The next product, I don't know why it's as much as it is, but I gotta find it. Okay. It is this Dermalect Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. I have not heard of this brand before. So it says it's a 5-in-1 advanced eye treatment, especially formulated to address serious dark circles, reduce the look of tired and puffy under the eyes, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids, light diffusing pigments instantly and cleverly conceal any damage, and soothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated. So right now I use my Becca under eye brightener, and that is legit the best thing I've ever used for dark circles. Like, I am so in love with this. But, okay. I'm not always the biggest fan of these, like, cooling tip applicators. So, okay. And what... It says it's a color corrector, but it's like white. How is it going to color correct? I mean, I do see a little bit of like illumination to it, so I can see how that could, you know, kind of brighten under the eyes, but I don't know about color correcting. And I don't know if I said, but it retails for $59. So, moving on, we have this LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. Alright, so velvety in texture. Oh, I ripped the packaging already. Oh, and it's in the color Motivate, and then it says light in parentheses underneath it. Yeah, I need light. Okay, there's no way to open this without ripping it. I'm really digging the packaging. This is super cute. Sell me anything that's rose gold. Oh, it's really pretty. It has a mirror and everything. Let me try her out. Okay, I can get behind this. And it retails for only $18. I haven't heard of this brand before either, but I like it so far. Alright, next is this Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. And it says Come Through. Is it colored? Oh, it is. I was just going to say, if this is just another regular lip oil, like, no thank you. But this is colored. Okay, it feels nice. This retails for $14. Oh, and it says it's brand new to Boxy. Yeah, the only brand that I know in this box is Pharmacy. All right, the last product is this Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo. I mean, that's kind of self-explanatory. So these retail for $24. There's a lot of products I don't know. Oh, maybe I should have stuck with premium. I'm really happy about the Pharmacy Serum. I like the bronzer. I will have to see about this. I don't know if it's gonna beat my Becca. I kind of like the lip oil. I mean, I'm not super over the moon about it. And, I mean, even though I have a billion sponges, it can never hurt to have 2 more. So, overall, it's not a bad box. It's just that maybe I feel like it's not worth as much because there's not really many brands I know. But that doesn't mean, I mean, that's the whole point of trying boxes, is to try new brands and new products. So I need to stop being a stuck-up little bitch and just try some of these products that are in this box. All right, guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.